This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Tripp. Bright, beautiful and brand new. Why wait to build when you can have it all right now? Open split floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and extended 3-car garage on an oversized canal lot. Beautiful vinyl plank flooring throughout. Living and amp, dining rooms with the kitchen open to the family room. Kitchen features 42 cabinets, a large pantry, breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Step out of the family room to expanded outdoor living space under a covered 16x10 lanai and peaceful backyard views. Spacious Master Suite has a large walk-in closet, walk-in shower and linen closet. Extensive wiring package installed for all your audio and amp, security needs. New refrigerator, washer and dryer included. Located in a young neighborhood full of pride of ownership and no HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Tripp at 321-308-0361.